Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make St. John's wort tincture. First, gather fresh St. John's wort flowers and leaves, ideally when the plant is in full bloom. Ensure they are clean. Next, you'll need a high-proof alcohol, like 80-proof vodka, which acts as the solvent. Finally, prepare clean glass jars with tight-fitting lids for the maceration process. Now, finely chop your fresh St. John's wort plant material into small pieces to maximize surface area. This helps extract the beneficial compounds more effectively. Fill a clean glass jar about 2/3 full with the chopped herb. Then, pour your chosen high-proof alcohol over the herbs, making sure they are completely submerged. Leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top of the jar. Once combined, seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. This allows the alcohol to extract the plant's medicinal properties. Remember to shake the jar gently every few days to agitate the mixture and aid in extraction. After the maceration period, strain the liquid through several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl, squeezing out all the liquid. Finally, transfer your finished St. John's wort tincture into dark glass dropper bottles to protect it from light degradation. Label each bottle with the contents and date. Store the tincture in a cool, dark place where it can maintain potency for up to 5 years. Always consult a healthcare professional before using herbal remedies. For more great deals and to check out those amazing darn tough socks, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.